What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the ultimate power solution that's gonna change your outdoor game forever. Stick around, because this is epic. Are you tired of being limited by power outlets when enjoying the great outdoors? Or worried about losing electricity during emergencies? The UD Power C600 Portable Power Station Solar Bundle is here to solve all your power-related dilemmas. This innovative device combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features to deliver reliable power wherever and whenever you need it. Unmatched power and performance. The UD Power C600 isn't just another portable power station solar solution, it's a game changer. With an impressive 600 W AC output, 1200 W surge, this powerhouse can run 99% of your devices, including refrigerators, power tools, and even medical equipment like CPAP machines. The clean, pure sine wave output ensures your sensitive electronics stay safe, giving you peace of mind during use. What truly sets this portable power station solar bundle apart is its incredible 595 watt Life PO4 battery. Unlike traditional lithium-ion batteries that wear out quickly, this advanced technology offers 4,000 plus charge cycles while maintaining 80% capacity retention. That's 10 times longer than conventional batteries. Plus, at only 12.79 pounds, it's 30% lighter than competitors' 500 Bosch models, making it the perfect travel companion. You will find the link to the product in the description. Grab it while it's hot. Why you need the UD Power C600 in your life. Imagine never having to worry about power outages during storms or being able to work remotely from the most beautiful camping spots. The UD Power C600 makes these scenarios possible. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, a frequent traveler, an RV owner, or simply someone who wants to be prepared for emergencies, this portable power station solar solution is designed for you. The benefits are clear. Reliability. Military-grade protection with UL 2743, FCC Bosch ROHS certification, and a 6-layer safety system keeps you and your devices safe. Convenience. With 9 output ports including 2x600 WAC outlets, USB-C PD ports, USB-A ports, and a 12V car port, you can power everything simultaneously. Efficiency. Max 240W solar charging capability means you can fully recharge in just 2.5 hours with compatible solar panels included in the bundle. Comfort, ultra-low noise design, below 30 dB, and smart heat dissipation ensure quiet operation without overheating. Please subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell so you never miss our next power-packed review. Outshining the competition. When compared to other products on Amazon, the UD Power C600 Portable Power Station Solar Bundle stands head and shoulders above the rest. Here's why. Faster solar charging. With the fastest solar input in its class, you'll spend less time waiting and more time enjoying powered devices. Superior battery technology. The Life PO4 battery not only lasts longer, but is also safer and more environmentally friendly than traditional options. Lightweight design. At 1279 pounds, it's significantly lighter than similar capacity models, enhancing portability without sacrificing power. Advanced safety features. The 6-layer safety system provides protection against overvoltage, short circuits, temperature issues, and even includes explosion-proof battery technology. Real-world applications. The versatility of the UD Power C600 Portable Power Station Solar Bundle makes it perfect for countless situations. Camping adventures. Keep your lights, phones, and even small appliances running while enjoying nature. Road trips and RV living. Power your devices on the go without relying on campground hookups. Emergency preparedness. Stay connected and powered during storms or blackouts. Outdoor work. Run power tools and equipment at remote job sites. Digital nomads. Work from anywhere with reliable laptop and device charging. Final thoughts. The UD Power C600 Portable Power Station Solar Bundle isn't just a purchase. It's an investment in freedom, reliability, and peace of mind. With its combination of power, portability, and cutting-edge technology, it's the perfect solution for anyone who needs dependable power on the go. Don't let power limitations hold you back any longer. Whether you're planning your next adventure or preparing for the unexpected, the UD Power C600 has you covered. Order yours today and experience the freedom of unlimited power wherever life takes you. That's a wrap, fam. Huge thanks for hanging out with us today. If this UD Power C600 blew your mind, which it totally should have, smash that like button and subscribe for more game-changing gear reviews. Link to the C600 is right down below in the description. Don't wait. Grab yours before they sell out. Drop a comment below. Where would you take this power beast? Camping, RV life. Let us know. Stay powered up, stay awesome, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace!